Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stay available in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Microsoft Teams and click on your profile here at the top right. Here, you'll be able to see your status. So you're going to click on it and you'll be able to see numerous status. So you're going to simply click on available and then you can simply keep your Microsoft Teams open in front of you and you will be shown available to anyone who views your profile. Method 2 is prevent PC from sleeping. So you can simply go to your Windows settings and you can select power and battery and you can set the sleep to never, or you can also select screen timeout to longer time. And method 3 is keeping activity running. So you can add simple things like playing a long video or run a presentation or even use a mouse juggler that can keep Teams from switching to away. So that's basically how you can keep your Microsoft Teams status to available. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.